Hey there folks, today I'd like to take a casual peek into my 16th unboxing of goodies from Hobby Link Japan. Munchkin number 2 is at school this morning, so I'm going to unbox this solo today. And this particular order actually arrived quite a while ago. I just never got around to taking it out of the box, so we're going to go ahead and do that now and see what goodies I had ordered. I actually forgot what I had ordered since it's been a while since this arrived. And we're just going to go ahead and cut into it right now and open this up. This particular shipment came about a month ago actually. I just was busy doing other things before getting around to actually opening this up, so apologize for that. And oops, that's way out of focus there. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what I got. Alright. Got some bubble wrap there. And, oh, a bunch of kits. Oh yeah, okay. Now I remember what I got here. Let's go ahead and pull these out and go ahead take a peek. First up, take a look at this small one here. What we have here is an Assault Kingdom set, EX05, a larger than normal set. It's one of those, I guess, special sets. This one is of the full armor Unicorn Gundam, and this is a Shakugan set. They're basically a candy set. There's a piece of candy in there, but it's a small figure, collectible figure. This one, of course, being a full armor Unicorn, and this one is EX05. So it's, like I said, larger than normal Assault Kingdom set, sort of a special type of set, I guess, special release type set. So, but you can see it's a lot bigger than your normal Assault Kingdom. There, well, not bigger, but more feature rich, I should say. So you can see right there all the equipment that comes in this particular set there. So very, very cool. And I picked that one up because they were running low on stock, and I'm a fan of Assault Kingdom. They don't, and Hobby Link Japan doesn't have too many Assault Kingdom sets, so I picked that up while I did. We have here Amazing Lev A. This is part of the set. This is actually Gundam Ace, I believe. There, it's basically like a comic. Here you can see, but this particular release of the comic or manga comes with a special bonus set here. Basically an expansion kit for a Build Fighters kit. The Meijin's version of the Hainu Gundam, I think. At least this is an add-on here. There was a amazing level A and a level B, and this one here is the level A that came with this particular issue of Gundam Ace. So pretty cool. Can't really see the issue since it's shrink wrapped and it's got the back facing out there, so I couldn't tell you which particular issue this is. So, but it comes with the kit. I do have the Amazing Level B already, so this one I had placed a pre-order on it and it finally came in, so pretty neat there. And you can see I got a whole bunch of other kits. This one out here. We have here a Gundam the Origin line. Get that in the focus again. And this is the Zakuto High Mobility type, the Black Tri-Stars. and pretty cool. And this particular one, you can build either the Gaia version or the Mosh version, which is pretty neat. There, and I ended up getting 3 of the kits before I realized that Ortega is actually coming out with his own kit. So, which is all right. So I have 1 extra kit here because I want to build, of course, 1 of each of the Gaia and Mash. And Ortega, I did after finding out about it. Like I said, I already had ordered this, so there's not much I could do about it. But anyways, it wasn't that expensive anyway. So as soon as the Ortega one comes in, I'll have the Black Tri-Stars in kit form here. So pretty cool. And this kit here is the 3rd in the Origin line of high grades. It only cost 2,000 yen, so a little under 20 bucks. Oops, sorry about that. Not too bad. And cool. We have here a kit from the Revive line there. Help celebrate the 35th anniversary. And this is, of course, the iconic RX-78-2 Gundam. Pretty cool. And the Revive line is basically just a redos of older high-grade kits to bring it up to basically modern manufacturing methods and sculpting methods, and basically just to make these guys better posable and better build qualities compared to the original, or not original, but older high-grade releases. They're on the high-grade Universal Century releases. So it's still using the numbering scheme from the high-grade Universal Century line, and this is numbered 191, but this particular one, of course, I guess, is part of the Revive line. So pretty neat. And oh wow, they printed on the bottom of the box there, so that's kind of cool. You could see some of the other releases, Build Fighters, Origin, Reconquista, and G, and all that stuff. So pretty neat. This kit now only costs 1,000 yen, so really inexpensive, less than 10 bucks. So very, very cool. And of course we have some Build Fighter releases. The Gundam The End. And at the time I received this, this had just come out. So pretty cool. Part of Team Celestial Sphere. Pretty neat. And this kit cost 2,200 yen. You see that one there. And another new release at the time, Denial Gundam. Again, part of the Build Fighters Try, number 37. Pretty cool. And he's part of Team Titan. Junya Inase's mobile suit. And how much did this kit cost? Less than 18 bucks there, so about $16 for this kit. What is this one here? Oh yeah, this here I got for one of my nephews. He's getting into a kit, well, specifically the D-style kits. This one is of a Zoids Iron Kong. Hopefully he doesn't watch this video because I was planning to give this to him for his birthday. So I may edit that part out just in case he does view my videos. I don't want him to find out I got that for him. So, and we have here a high-grade Build Fighters Dom R35, which is I'm looking forward to getting there. And this was featured at the end of the Build Fighters Try anime when Mr. Rumbaral or Mr. Rawl built another, I guess, gunpla to do battle. So pretty cool. And his signature blue there, and that kit cost how much? 1,800 yen there, so about $16. So not too bad. And we have a Lightning Z Gundam, pretty cool. And this is Yuma Kosaka's entry, I believe, at the build tournament at the end of Build Fighters Try after they had won their tournament. He entered another tournament for the build tournament, and I believe he built this one. Sorry about that, camera cut off, but he built the Lightning Z Gundam at the build tournament there, so pretty cool. There. And finally we have here Hobby Japan, issue number 8 for 2015. So the August issue, you can see how far behind I am already. It's already the month of September, and these are usually produced 2 months in advance of the date. So this was really the June issue, June-July issue. It's already September, so yeah, tells you how long I had this lying around. But pretty neat stuff for our 16th, I think, unboxing of goodies from Hobby Link Japan there. Just a bunch of kits here, so pretty cool. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you guys next time.